Motion detected at the front door.
Himself, perhaps for free Anglican research. Maybe it wasn't for free.
쫄깃쫄깃 감자떡에 농마국수 맛 좋은 꽈배기에 감자튀김 감자차랑 맛도 많아 서른을 세고
Do it then, do it when, do it now. What's up? Sweet cakes. Who's hip? Anyway, oh girl, easy. What you gonna do, little buckaroo? Yeah, you gotta do. Happy fool is ice cream now. No, we all can be super fly. GQPHD.
Young people are right.
Buddha loves you, Jesus saves.
What are you guys doing in my house?
We
are praying to the Asian god of MoNKEY.
The Asian god of Wong-Tang.
Yes, you stupid white man. First time seeing it.
The only spirit that I believe in is the spirit of Christmas.
You understood what he said.
No, I'm not going to try this Buddhist.
Try it, stupid white man.
Okay, you know what? Sure, I'll try. Teach me all about this Buddhism.
We start today, 2 o'clock, 3 a.m.
I'll be. What does that mean?
Figure it out, white boy.
I don't speak traditional Chinese.
Fine, I tell you, white boy. What he's trying to say is he's going to teach you a new style, a new style. It's called salt style, salt technique. Salt blindness. That is the first time he stands up in 5 to 9 years. This is going to be good.
None of you saw that. He literally handed him the salt. Who? No.
He says, "Shut up, Peter Pan," looking back.
You're telling me this technique was him throwing salt at me?
Very secret technique. Tell no one. You understand?
Can we move on to the next lesson now?
Yeah. Do you understand that, white boy?
No, I still don't speak traditional Chinese.
Here, I help you for $5. Give $5 after class. You don't have to pay me. I owe you. See, what he said was that he's going to teach you how to worship for lesson 2.
Okay, teach me, Master Mufugo.
Good is it,
So, what is it exactly is this artifact?
That is the yellow chicken. You massage it to make it feel nice. Really makes you question your perspective on reality.
Okay. And what is this artifact?
It's jar.
Anyway, what exactly is this?
That's Jesus' ashes. Sniff them if you dare.
Do I have to sniff them?
You don't have to, but that's just how we worship them.
And why is this over here? What is the purpose of this?
That little chainsaw. Check him out on SoundCloud.
Okay. And what is this artifact?
That's the Sage of 6 Fish. Worship him like he is. Hey, so how about that move by Wednesday?
It's not even Wednesday.
Oh.
Master.
Hey. He said in Chinese that we are finally done with our. He said in Asian that we are finally done with your second lesson, and we will continue. We are finally done with our second lesson, and we will continue to the third.
Okay, this no, I'm done.
Hey, wait for 1 second. Actually, please wait for 1 second. Master, power me up. I've had enough of his disrespect. Give me strength. Give me strength. Hey, come back here.
Oh!
或者是这种喵机器的小机器，电发电。
No, my hat. How will people know I'm an atheist?
Hey, stop right there. I do not find it cool to kill. In fact, no one really does. So, if you would, take your hands off this man.
Who are you?
My name is Steve Van.
How did you get in my house?
Well, let's just say, that window you have in front, it's not as secure as you think it is. I am a slippery hippie.
Everybody, get out of my house.
Really?
Get out of my house.
Bye.